Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is set to take root in India. With a few last-minute tweaks, version 2.0 of the bill was tabled in the Parliament for approval. So what are these changes? Let's take a look. First up, a couple of sections have been deleted from version 2.0. So the section dealing with terrorist acts is now 113. Here's the first big change, however. The new bill has broadened the definition of terrorist acts. It is now defined as any act that threatens the unity, integrity, sovereignty, security, and economic security of India. The latest edition of acts hurting economic security. So what does the bill mean when it says economic security? The bill provides that acts that damage monetary stability of India by way of production or smuggling or circulation of counterfeit Indian paper currency or coin. Counterfeiting now is included under terrorist actions. The revised bill has also widened the definition of terrorist actions to include any actions that look to strike terror in India or in any other country. There's another addition to what constitutes terrorism. Under Section 113, the new bill includes use of criminal force against any public functionary as terrorism. The bill also provides that only an officer of SP rank or higher will have the power to register a case under this provision or under the UAPA. The other big change is with respect to reporting of court proceedings in cases of violence against women. The earlier draft had 6 types of cases which could not be reported without the court's permission. These included cases involving rape, punishment of rape in certain cases, punishment for causing death, sexual intercourse by husband during separation, and sexual intercourse by persons in authority. Under the new bill, however, there are 3 key additions to the types of cases which cannot be reported by the media. These include sexual intercourse by employing deceitful means, gang rape, and punishment for repeat offenders. The biggest change, however, rape case trials are no longer on the restricted list where court reporting has been barred. Meanwhile, any court report in these matters without the court's nod could invite a jail term of 2 years as well as a fine. There has been no change in defining of cruelty against the wife. The Indian Penal Code, the earlier draft of the BNS as well as the latest version, that's version 2.0, have all been consistent in defining cruelty to include hurt caused to physical as well as mental well-being of the woman. And finally, on the issue of mob lynching, the revised version is looking to tighten the punishment. Under the earlier draft, the court could punish those convicted of mob lynching with a term of 7 years, stretching up to a life term and allowing a maximum of a death penalty. The centre has now provided only for a life imprisonment, with the alternative being death. The Lok Sabha is expected to debate the successor to the Indian Penal Code, the BNS Bill, on December 14th and December 15th.